ethnicity, like Chinese. They look Chinese. Some look Chinese.
Naging Chinese.
We're 100% pure Filipinas.
From what? Maybe region? Cebu?
Yeah, where?
My hometown is in Cebu.
And
I'm just. By the way, my name is L.A. and I'm 23 years old. I'm Abby and I'm 26. I'm Kate and I'm 18 years old.
Wow.
From
18.
I live in Cavite.
from Cavite.
And
Just Paranaque, Manila. Yeah, I live in Cavite as well.
Charmaine, where are you from?
Well, I grew up and I was born here, but I'm Philippine American. Mom is Filipina, you're Pinay, and my dad is Black American. Yeah, my name is Charmaine. I'm from QC.
your mother is from Manila?
From
What's
Samar,
wrong?
Lawaan.
Samar.
Bisaya man.
Any more questions to our friend?
Question.
Yes.
Tatlo lang tayo.
Tatlo lang kayo eh.
Alright.
So,
Ano mga pwedeng question?
Yeah.
So, sino si Katsili and Miss...
Oh, Cassidy is a DJ. Yes. She's a DJ together with two other DJs. So may tatlong DJ tayo on that night. We have 3 DJs that night. They're not here.
Is she Chinese?
Are you Chinese?
Yes.
I'm Chinese, and I'm one of the investors of Rank Inc.
We're Chinese newspaper. We write for this.
I don't read a lot of Chinese newspaper.
Basic na basic.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll ask your Chinese name later.
Anong gamit kami mic? Para
We'll
makita.
ask to write your Chinese, just your Chinese.
Yeah. Ross, any more questions?
Sige. Try ko si Daniel, okay? Kyle Daniel Estrada.
Yan.
Related siya kila Carla Estrada?
No.
Hindi. Wala akong relation kila Daniel. Okay, kala ko, pwede kasi siyang ano rin eh, di ba? Kung Daniel. Daniel Padilla.
Yes.
Ayun. So you will be part of the concert as well? Kasama rin siya.
Yes.
Sa concert na.
From back.
Front act. Ayun. You'll be singing ano, yung mga sarili mong composition or mga OPM. Ano ba?
Yeah, actually, I do have a few original compositions, but like they're still in the process of being finished.
So you'll be singing mga OPM or English songs? On the
I do
concert?
sing OPM naman po, but I prefer English songs.
So English songs sa Rap Music Fest on that day, that night.
I'll do more OPM po.
OPM naman doon. Okay. Okay. So, all in all, how many artists will be performing? So, we have here 4 bands, di ba?
Yeah. So
And then, how many?
4 bands. So that's the stable now. Pero from rap, so main, 3G. There's Nisha, a girl also, a solo artist. And then there's a boy band that was formerly known as Six in the City. So there's going to be some changes going on, a surprise on that night that we will announce about the new image and new
Name.
new name about the boys. But they were formerly known as Six in the City.
So, the concert starts at 6 p.m. So, sabi ko kanina, 2 hours ba? O 2 hours ang concert?
Roughly like that, yeah. 2 hours to including the party na.
So may meron pang after
Yeah, may
party.
DJs eh. May
Ah.
tayo.
Okay.
Yeah, may party tayo.
So may party. Kuneta Astro doon.
Tanong natin.
Ano
The
pa?
show will
Sino?
start 7 o'clock.
Yeah, the show will start. So you know naman, open house at 6 p.m.
Yeah.
And the show is going to start 7.
7, so 7,
Yeah.
8.
Tapos, front act na si Kyle.
Mm.
And then after 20 minutes or so, yun na, we'll begin. So I'm hosting that night. So I'm hosting with Dwayne. So we just appeared twice. So we appear at the beginning and we introduce the whole show. It starts and it ends. And then litaw ulit kami for the band naman. For sila Hale naman.
So pang gitna sila or pang...
Second, kumbaga second to yung last moment na sila na yun.
Ah,
Kumbaga the
okay.
body, the meat na sila na yun. Tapos after them, we're going to have a surprise also. Again, lilitaw ulit sila ramp with their last pieces. And then party na.
Anong mo yung ano? Tickets.
Okay.
Entrance fees. Tickets, how much?
Yeah, so we're selling online. Sige. So we have 1.5.
1.5.
That's a VIP, and then yeah, the VVIP.
VIP
Tapos
pa.
the 1,000, and then the 700, the lower box, and then the 500 for the upper box, and the 250 for the bleachers.
So,
General.
so highest is 1.5.
Yes.
1.5. Ano
Tapos
daw?
on that day, we can be selling. On that day. So, they can come and buy there. So marami pa tayong mga 250, 500, and 700. So, you guys can invite as much as you can about those ranges. So, yan po. And if you have other VIPs pa, sige lang. We can accommodate them. Kung VIP level naman na, alam na na, kung hindi pwedeng umupo sa